This is my Whirlpool washer that I've had for about maybe a year. It has a 2-in-1 removable agitator. This is the removable agitator. I really like the concept, but I was having some problem with little pieces of dirt on my clothes and in the washer. And I was cleaning the bottom here with a toothbrush because I noticed it had some little pieces of dirt there. It turns out it's probably mildew. And I just kept getting it. So one day I took it out to the laundry sink and I washed there, and I ran water down through the top as I squeezed the handle so that it would have access. And I started getting stuff out of the bottom. Then I decided, my husband actually ran the hose stream through the top and more stuff came out the bottom. Then I started soaking it in my laundry tub. And this is some of the stuff that I got out of my agitator. This is the second tub full of water. This is what I did. I put it down in the water, let the air get out of it, so you have to kind of drown it. Then I moved the agitator, pumped it a few times. I also took it, it's hard to do with one hand, lifted it out, shook it, because I imagine there's some of that stuff up near the handle too. And every time I would do that, I would get more stuff coming out the bottom. So this is the second laundry tub full of water that I've done. I'm going to do a third. I recommend you do it. We're going to do it on a periodic basis. Not sure when that will be, how that will be. But it looks like that's one of the flaws of this nice new invention.